Welcome back to DataShark Academy. As we will learn later in the course, that Apache Kafka cluster is made up of many servers in it. Okay, and these servers are called Kafka brokers. Okay, so one of the cool feature of Apache Kafka is that if one of the server or broker is down for any reason, then automatically another broker will be kicked in, and you won't have data loss if you have enough replication set in. Okay, so this is taken care by Zookeeper, which comes inbuilt in Kafka. As such, Zookeeper is a separate entity on its own, and it's also one of the projects in Apache framework. But with Kafka, you have a dedicated standalone Zookeeper instance available that you can run. Okay, we'll see how this works later. But for now, just understand that if one of these server is down, the other server will be brought up in the cluster automatically. So it makes Kafka fault tolerant, meaning that if one of the server is down, you have the data still persisted in other servers. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic.